it's Happily Ever Zoe, and I am so excited today because we're gonna be making Poppy's favorite energy balls. And I decided to make this recipe because I am so excited for the new Trolls movie coming out. I've loved Trolls ever since I was like 6 years old. So, okay people, here we go! This recipe only has like 5 ingredients. That's not that much, and it's super easy. So the first thing we're gonna do is put our coconut flour in a mixing bowl. And then either on the stovetop or in your microwave, which we don't have a microwave, you're gonna melt your nut butter, which can be any kind of nut, and your honey together to combine on low heat. Now you're gonna pour your almond butter and honey mixture into the coconut flour and combine. And you're probably gonna want to have a spatula on hand because you're definitely gonna need one. I know why I love Poppy. Because she's always so positive and happy all the time. Well, maybe not all the time, because it's okay not to be happy all the time. But I just love her. She's always looks on the bright side, because there always is a bright side. Anyway, let's mix this together. So let me explain. It's brown, right? That's not Poppy's favorite color. And the problem is, if you want to use cashew butter, it'll probably be more white and then the sprinkles will pop more. But that's okay, you know what? They'll still be good. They just won't be as colorful. Also, if your mixture is a little dry, you can add some milk and mix it again. Now here's the fun part. We're gonna roll it into little balls and then, well, I know, life isn't all cupcakes and rainbows, and that's fine. I mean, I wish it could be a little bit lighter so the sprinkles would pop more, but I came up with a good idea. We can roll them and then roll them in the sprinkles. That way, they'll be nice and rainbowy. Will you look at that? Looks like a little chocolate ball. Oh wow, those look amazing! I know, right? Yeah. Wow! Can I have one? Fine. Here you go. Tell me what you think. Ready? Looks fine. Time to try it. I mean, it's pretty good, but I honestly think it would taste better if you put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes, like our other energy ball recipe. And of course you don't have to roll them in sprinkles. You can obviously still try to chew it. You can still like mix them together, but I honestly think it would be better if it was colder. So yeah, it's your option, your treat.